Hi, Philip Griffith here with PSG Photo Solutions, and congratulations, you made it through the first week of Save Your Photos Month. You've found your photos, but now what? You need a plan. This week, we'll explore creating a photo legacy by understanding what's most important to you. What are your photo goals, and what would success look like? Then, strategize a plan to digitize and back up your photos. Even if you're not ready to do the actual organizing, thinking through these decisions about your photo legacy means you'll be prepared whenever the time is right to start. So tip number 8, how would you feel if you could easily find and share the photos that you care most about? Write down 5 reasons these photos are important to you. See you tomorrow.